song. Sing a song. Make it simple to last all day long. So what if it's not good enough for anyone else to sing? Just sing a song.
Yay.
It goes da 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 da. Yay! Go, Fifi.
Look at your kitty. She was listening too.
Fifi.
Ooh,
Hey,
gotta zoom out.
good morning.
Good morning, Finny.
How you doing? You okay?
So bright.
You're bright and balancing that head, baby. That's good.
Yeah. Morning.
Good morning.
Hello, everybody. So, yeah, today was kind of a weird day. It's still gray outside and stuff. So, I just got out of the shower. And I'm gonna get Nucky dressed behind me. Nux, can you wave into the camera?
Hi.
Yes, so we're gonna get dressed. Get baby dressed. So it stopped raining for a little bit, so we can go outside for a little bit if we're lucky. But I just need to get out of the house for a little bit. It's too much staying in the house for 2 days in a row. So let's hurry up, get everybody. Wow, now you really like Peppa Pig.
What's that? Choo choo choo.
222? What?
Where the?
You go everywhere you want.
I'm gonna get to this.
Maybe we can find some worms or something. Or snails.
What snails?
You know those little slimy things that come out when it rains.
But can we find some snails and worms so you get? Oh! I think we had a bucket. Do we have a bucket?
Yeah, but it's in Mommy's car, and Mommy's car is in the shop to get fixed. We can pick it up tomorrow. Yay! And then I finally have a car, and I can actually go places. I'm gonna sign up Nucky for karate. Yay! That's gonna be interesting. Right?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Find worms. I'm a little worm. I'm a little worm.
Goes all the way up till all the way down. Right? Yeah. Ooh. Yes? Huh? That would be something if I would lose my phone now, if my phone would drop into the water. Ooh, I don't even want to imagine it. This is a weird smell. You found a worm? What? Duck poop. Oh.
Ew.
Yucky.
Was that swinging?
Yeah, the playground, remember?
What is the lighthouse?
With the yellow slide.
Yellow slide.
You don't remember that, Nagi. You brains.
Slide?
Oh, over there are the duckies. I don't know if you guys can see it. Those are...
That's the lighthouse?
You gotta watch out with those sometimes. They can be pretty mean. The big ones. Turtles in there too.
Where? Can't see it.
I don't see it right now, but you remember the one time
Yeah.
we saw that big turtle?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, it's somewhere in there. It's somewhere in there. Oh, that fresh air really feels so amazing. And of course, Finny's. Oh, a flying duck. They are so loud in the morning. Oh my god, lots of duck poop. Ew, don't step in it. And mommy's wearing the wrong shoes. I'm wearing Crocs. I'm so smart. Ooh, yuck.
Wow.
I mean, really? Is that a duck toilet right here? It must be the duck toilet because only there is so much baby. Ew.
Somebody killed.
Yeah, so much poop. Yeah, kids coming home from school. Oh my goodness, look, Knox. They're baby duckies. Oh. Don't go too close because they're gonna get mad at you and probably bite you. Oh, guys, you guys see that? Oh my goodness. They are so cute. They're so cute. Oh. See, they are getting angry at us now. Just stay right there. I hope they're not gonna walk. They're really hissing and stuff like that, so. Oh my goodness.
Is that the boy?
Look at those babies. You see them?
Yes, woman.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Aww. It's just too cute. They're going for a walk. Ooh, who's that?
I think that's the boy ducky.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think that's the daddy and those two are the mommies?
I think that's the boy. I think the daddy and...
Actually, those are 8 baby ducklings. Oh my goodness. So adorable. Right. Alright, ready, set, go!
Whoa! I did it.
Oh, wow.
Okay, let's go. I'm going to do the pool.
Ready, set, go. And now run up. That's how you get them tired. So I'm like, obviously we're good tonight with all that running. Hey, I thought you have to run all the way up.
I need to run. Okay, now, Mom, go all the way. You gotta go there. No, on this sidewalk. This is sidewalk. It's
Why? Why do I have to go exactly here?
because I count to
1. You said count to 1. I already counted.
I count to 3 and then.
Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, go. You okay?
Well, you think the squirrels get angry?
I mean, if you walk close to him, he's gonna run away.
I want to get him.
He's pretty fast.
Oh!
Oh, where did he go?
see him.
Oh,
there
he's
he is.
all the way up there now.
Oh my god, he's gonna fall. Did you get to that bag?
Can you climb that fast?
Huh?
Can you climb that fast?
No.
Try to climb the tree.
I can't climb the tree.
No?
No.
You should. All little boys know how to climb trees.
Okay, so.
That's like the best thing about living here is the pool. Right, Nux?
Yeah, and the pool's closed.
Yeah, it's closed for now, but it's gonna open up soon.
I'm gonna get my swimmies.
Yeah, we have to buy you new swimmies. Yours are broke. But you actually can swim without swimmies now, you remember? It's been a while, so he probably has to put on some swimmies first. I think he forgot how to swim. Right?
I want to swim in the middle pool. I don't want to swim.
Yeah.
No.
And we can't forget today it's Finny's 2 months. He is 2 months today. Yay, happy 2 months. How you feel? You feel older?
Mm-hmm.
Did he get taller and bigger?
Let's see. Yeah, he got taller than my head.
Yeah, he is a lot taller than when he was first born, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, happy 2 months. You show him
Yeah.
number 2.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah. And now he can already smile and suck his fingers.
And he can eat cake.
No, he can't eat
Wait,
cake
when
yet.
he's older.
When he turns 1, he can have some cake, but he's only 2 months old now. So yeah, Finny. Good job. We love you so much. Right? We love that little baby.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we love him so much. Look at my 2 munchkins. Both are asleep. He just knocked out from his little walk we took. So cute. So cute. It's like everybody's asleep. Only me and Chloe are up. Right? Only me and Chloe. Mommy's cooking, kids are sleeping, taking a nap. And I'm gonna put this in the oven. And I think I'm gonna lay down too. And get me a little bit of snooze for like 30 minutes or so. Alright. Yeah, so Jason just came home. We're about to put the kids to bed. I'm feeding Finley right now. Just wanted to say that if I go to get out a little bit today, really. And alright, today is Friday and I have to go back on Tuesday, and I'm happy to go back to work, but I haven't been for like 2 months now, and it's so tough to leave little Finny home. It's gonna be hard. I'm just a little bummed about that. I hope he's gonna be okay without me. I know he will. I mean, he's with his daddy, but I don't know. He's such a mommy's boy. He's gonna be alright. And, you know, summer vacation are right in front of the door, so I'm off for the summer anyway. So I only have to work for like 7 more weeks and then it's summer vacation. But still, till then, I know I'm probably going to be crying at work because I'm missing so much. I haven't been away from him since he's born. So, but I still have 3 more days to enjoy with my little Finny. So bye guys. So if you liked the video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and we see you tomorrow. Bye.